We'll also see a 180 crore dome structure coming up in the port to reduce the pollution that is being by the SWPL. I think the Honorable Minister will be happy to note that. So apart from this 1,152 crore of investments in the port, we are also seeing around 950 to 1,000 crore of investments coming in the coming years. Are right now implementing projects worth 1,152 crores in the port, which includes the 4-lane port connectivity road, which will be completed by next month. So it would be inaugurated probably by the end of the year. So this will kind of revolutionize the movement of cargo into the port, bypassing the township.
The dome type structure that is supposed to come up there, I think that will allay the fears of the public and people living in Murmugao and elsewhere. And in the long term, as you know, it is a win-win situation for everyone, because there will be no flying of coal or other thing which is a wastage. The coal saved is money earned, I will say. And maybe you make an investment first, and then later on you are reaping the fruits of that in the long term.
I repeat the word request. You have initiated the construction of a dome by JSW. I would appeal to you to use your good offices and ensure that those other parties that import coal to Goa also undertake such a construction. And I'm sure with that, we would be clearing a lot of pollution that is taking place.